Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. Today we have for you the CAMEL-311 knee-high platform boots in Black Vegan Suede by Demonia. All products that we are unboxing for you are available to buy online with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. This style also comes in other colours and materials. We have camel vegan suede, pastel pink vegan leather, and a white vegan leather, as well as the black vegan suede that we are showing you today. The sizing ranges from women's US 6 to women's US 12. The features are this fake fur trimming detail on the outside, inside is a soft, slightly padded material. And has this Demonia logo on the flame embossed sole. Now let's grab the other shoe for you. If there is a style you want to see unboxed next time, just let us know what it is by leaving a comment below. So this is a chunky heel platform of 5 inches. You can see why this is one of our most popular styles in the boots category. There is a full-length zipper on the inner side of each boot. This is a great comfortable style to wear for winter or the cold nights out. And we have this lace-up feature on the front so that you can tighten the boots to fit your calves. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to help our small business grow, and so we can continue to make more of these unboxing videos for you. Here's a view of both boots together from behind. So there you have the CAMEL-311. Come back soon to see more unboxing videos of your favourite styles. Thanks for watching, guys!